Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to use Big Bertha, my giant monstera here, to make a super cute printed tea towel. Let's go. Okay, we're going to sacrifice one of my monstera leaves from Big Bertha here because first of all, it's like facing the wall, so it's really not doing much, and it'll help me kind of turn her a little bit better. So we're going to get in here and get this big girl off. Like that. Oh, it makes me sad, but it's okay. But look at that gorgeous leaf! Oh! Okay, so I trimmed the stem off of this leaf and then I took a damp paper towel and wiped it down so there wasn't any dust or anything. Now I'm going to blend some greens together to see if we can get close to this color. You know, the veins are a lighter color, but we may be able to go in after the fact and kind of paint those in if we feel like it. But let's start with this kind of dark green here, because this looks pretty close. Actually, that's really close. And I want to use a lot because this is a big old leaf. So this is Liquitex Basics Hooker's Green. And it needs to be a little darker, so I'm going to go in with this kind of teal, if I have any left. This is turquoise green. There we go. Well, we've used pretty much all of that. Alright, let's blend these together and see what we get. Definitely need some darker. May have to go grab the black. Alright, I brought black, but there's not much left, so I did bring brown. So let's add a good glob of brown. That may have been too much, but we will see. That's actually a pretty good match. It probably doesn't look the same on camera, but it's a very dark green. So we're gonna scoop this into a little measuring cup here, if I can get it. I should have used my stir stick or a palette knife, but this is what we got. Okay, so we need equal parts of this and this fabric paint medium, and I'll link where I got this down below. So we're going to try our best to make equal measurements of this. Alright, and now we need to mix that together. Okay, now comes the fun but kind of messy part. We need to paint the top side of the leaf, and I'm going to break that there so that it lays flat. And we're just going to give it a solid coating. I'd say this is a pretty good green match. I did a pretty good job. Color theory is not always my forte, but I'd say we got close enough. Now we don't want globs. We want to make sure that this is a nice even layer, but we also don't want to put too little to where it doesn't transfer. So I want to make sure I get every surface covered first, and then I'll add a little bit more. I'm going to wipe off any green paint that bled through as best I can. Alright, so this is just a cotton flour sack tea towel. So we're just going to lay it out. Probably should have ironed this. And now we're going to carefully pick this up. And I'm going to do it diagonal. Yeah, diagonal. That's where it's going to lay. And now I'm going to lay paper towels over it. And then I have this roller from my Cricut that we're going to smash it down with. I'm going to use my hands just to get it started and laid out. Now this isn't going to be perfect and I have to be okay with that. Ow. All right. Whew, here we go. I can already see it bled a few places and that's okay. Oh, that was tricky. Look at that. We have a Monstera print. Cute. Oh, it's not quite big enough. I'll have to do it in chunks. Okay, so the directions on the fabric medium say to place a cloth over it. I'll use this one that's kind of grungy. And iron it for 3 to 5 minutes. So we'll do part of it and then the other part. Luckily I have this nice big Cricut press my husband got me, which makes ironing big things so much easier. Alright, some of the paint's stuck to my tea towel, so that tells me it's drying. Alright, we need to do the bottom half of this one. Alright, you guys, look at that! It's so cute! Okay, so now it says after you've ironed it, you need to wash it on cold. It says turn it inside out, but this is a towel, so wash on cold for a cold cycle. Alright, I think this turned out super cute. If you guys liked this project and liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and go to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye!